In this video, we will learn how to install the current Eclipse version on Windows 10. With that, we will also run a sample Java program. So Eclipse comes pre-installed with Java, so there is no need to install Java separately. Go to the web browser. On Google, type Eclipse and hit enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Here is the official website and it directly went to the downloads page. Go below. Here the current version is visible. Click on the first link, that is x86_64 for a 64-bit Windows operating system. Click on it. Now here the exe file is visible. Click on it. The download started. Let's wait. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Now here we will select Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay. Now here you can see it automatically took the Java version. When you click here, it will also show you the current version, that is the following. And here is the installation folder location of Eclipse. Keep it as it is. It will create a start menu as well as a desktop shortcut. Click install. Click accept now. Now Eclipse will install. Let's wait. Meanwhile, for a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have installed Eclipse. The desktop shortcut is also visible. Click launch. Now Eclipse will launch for the first time. Select the workspace. Workspace is a place where all your project files, folders and resources will get saved. So your projects will get saved here. Select this as default so that you don't need to set the link again and again. Click launch. Eclipse opened for the first time. Let us create a new project. Go to file, click new, click Java project, add the project name. You can add any name. Your projects will get saved in the workspace. I already told you before. So your projects will get saved here under Eclipse workspace. It automatically selects the execution environment. Here you can uncheck this. Since it's a basic project, we don't need this file, module-info. Click next. Click finish. Amit application created successfully. Let us create a new Java file now. I'll right click on Amit application, select new, select class, add the file name. Let's say my file name is Amit. You can add any name. Here I'll select public static void main and let us add a package. A package can include multiple classes. Okay, so I've added a package also. Now our demo file will be inside com.studiopedia. Click finish. Here it is, our demo file is inside com.studiopedia package. That's why it's written package com.studiopedia. Now I'll print something. Let's say I'll print my name. So mention system.out.println. Okay, and whatever you'll add inside this will get printed. So I'll print my name. I'll just go to file and click save all. After that, you can click here. It's written run demo.java. Click on it. Now our output will be visible. I told you whatever we'll add inside this will get printed. So Amit Diwan printed. For a free Java tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. We have also added free study material. Thank you for watching.